French, you would say привет. Now say it.
Привет.
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 Great, let's say.
Roger that. Привет. What are some things that I use on the regularly? Every day. I would say every day, but every day is a strong word. So most days, every day. I use these things most days, every day. Let's get started. This is a regular water heater. I use it to heat water for tea. I use the water heater for tea. If you can't tell, I like to drink tea sometimes instead of coffee. Here are some of my tea collection. Most of them are empty, but I like this one, these two in particular. I like Kava Stress Relief. That's one of my favorite. I like this one as well, green tea kombucha. It's my good old rice cooker. As you can tell, it's a bit scratched up at the bottom, but it works just fine. I use it to cook rice. As you see here, I have jasmine rice. Tastes very good. It's white rice. I can't find my measuring cups, so I have to use my hands for this demonstration. Coffee maker. It's a cheap regular coffee maker, Mr. Coffee. As of right now, I don't care what kind of coffee I drink really. Maybe one day I will. Maybe one day I'll be picky. But right now I drink regular coffee. This is my current coffee ground I use, Colombian 100% Arabica beans or French roast. Those are the ones I usually get. Mr. Coffee, cheap. Up next, we have the Brita water filter. This is one of my favorite things I own. I just put water here in the top. There's a water filter over there. You gotta replace the water filter every now and then. But put water in here, and then from here you drink the water. The filter water tastes good, and also nowadays you just don't know what's in the water, what kind of chemicals are in the water. So I like to have my water filtered. Not a day goes by where I don't drink water. Over here is my guitar. I don't really use it. Last time I used it was maybe 2 months ago. It's been a while. I don't ever really use it really. I want to make love in this love, in this love, in this love. Do 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 do. What is this? This is a diffuser, an air diffuser. It makes the air diffuse. Basically, you can put whatever kind of essential oil you want in here. For example, this one is cinnamon, and basically you put water, you put the oil, and then it breathes out, and then it diffuses the oil. This one is lemongrass. Smells very good. So for this, as you can see here, it's empty. There's nothing in here. Comes with this little measuring cup. You can measure however much you want in here. This is water. It's not full, but it's enough. Put water in here. Today I will be using cinnamon, just a couple of drops of this in here, and then you diffuse the oil. Can I do it with one hand? I usually put more than I need. I don't really care. Close it. Turn it on. That's on for a long time. Yeah. Now this room is gonna smell like cinnamon in a couple of minutes. In a few minutes. I use this thing every day. It's pretty good. I like it. Here is my laptop. It's a ThinkPad laptop. This laptop to me is a little bit special because it's given to me, or not really given, but this was a relative's old laptop that I inherited. It's a ThinkPad. You can twist it and turn it like this, but I never do that. You're probably thinking, what kind of operating system am I using in here? I am using Kubuntu. There's my guitar. I don't really play my guitar anymore, but since it's Christmas, you know what? Let me just play a little bit. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. No, wrong one. Last Christmas, you gave me your heart, but the very next day, I gave it away. This year, to save yourself tears, go give it to someone special. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. You too. Alright, let's go to the next one. What is that? That is the pull-up bar. Well, the pull-up bar is, I use it every single day because I have to go to the bathroom over there and I have to go to the kitchen over there. And to go to those places, I have to go through this door. And what is that? That is a pull-up bar that is in between. So since I have to go past it every single day, I might as well do some pull-ups, no? I might as well do some stretches. Get myself fit while I'm at it. So that's what I do. Maybe I'll do one pull-up a day. Maybe I'll do 20. Doesn't matter, but I do it every single day because it's right there. Wish me luck. What do I use in the bathroom every single day besides regular brushing? Well, here's one. This is floss. Floss your teeth. And this is what I really wanted to point it out is this. This is activated charcoal. Activated charcoal. I use it to brush my teeth at night. For a couple of minutes, I brush my teeth with activated charcoal, and then after that, I brush it for a couple of minutes with regular toothpaste. Okay. But one thing about activated charcoal is that you might notice there are some dark spots here on the walls as well. You can even see them on my shirt because every time I brush my teeth, it gets everywhere. I wipe down the sink, but it still gets them every single time. That's the drawback of it. Next up, this is something I use every day, and that is That is my phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. I use my phone every single day. I use it to record videos, to make phone calls, to text, and a whole bunch of other things too, to read and to take notes. As you can see here, there are a bunch of cracks and scratches on the screen. That's because I bought this phone cracked screen. When my old phone died about a year ago, I wanted to have a good decent phone that could take good pictures and good videos, which led me to Samsung Galaxy series. But they were too expensive, so what I did was I went to Craigslist and I searched around for used unlocked Samsung Galaxy phones. Yeah, but since most of them were too expensive, the cracked ones I could find them for a better deal. So I got one. I got one from a guy who was selling it because he dropped it. And I've had this phone for over a year now. Recently the battery has been dying pretty quick, but for the most part it does what I need. I use it to take videos for my videos. Some people have been asking me what kind of camera I use. I use this camera. I use the camera on this, and most of the time I use the microphone on the phone as well. It's decent enough. It's alright. That's it. That's my phone that I use every day, and also headphones or earphones. I use the earphones a lot. I use it to study and to just block out other people, so that when they talk to me and I don't want to hear what they're saying, I just put this on. I put these on like this. Sometimes I listen to audiobooks, sometimes podcasts, sometimes music, and sometimes when I don't want to hear people, I put these on, and even though they're talking to me and I can hear them, I can still pretend like I don't even hear them. That's pretty sweet. Also, check out these muscles though. Not bad, huh? So there you have it. Those are the things that I use most of the days, every single day. Nothing fancy, very simple items, but I do use them quite often, frequently. Obviously I'm not including minute items, small items such as my glasses or my contact lenses. Maybe I'll do those in a separate video or a separate blog post. Those are my items. Hope you like it. Bye.